तो हेलो गाइस, आज हम इस वीडियो में स्प्रिंग देखेंगे। मतलब व्हाट इज स्प्रिंग एंड इट्स टाइप। नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट। स्प्रिंग स्प्रिंग is actually simple mechanical device which is elastic in nature. Now, spring is defined as elastic machine element which deflects under action of load and returns to its original shape when load is removed. Spring is used for absorbing energy and vibration, as here mentioned in second point, used to absorb shocks and vibration. Example: vehicle suspension, spring, etc. 1 minute. It stores energy. Its example is in clocks and toys. Store energy in clocks and toys and etc. It is used to measure force in weighing, balance, and scales. Fourth, it is used for applying force and control motion. Apply force and control motion. Example: cam and follower and clutch, etc. are the examples where we apply force and control motion of whole mechanism. Now, types of spring. We have mainly three types of spring. First one is helical spring, second is helical torsional spring, and third is leaf spring. In first one, helical spring, it is in the form of helix. That's why it is called helical spring. It is of two types. First one is compression spring and second one is extension spring. Extension spring is also known as tension spring. Actually, a helical spring is usually circular cross section bent in form of helix. The helix can be in compressive, it can be seen as compressive spring or extensive spring. When compressive force is applied, then it is known as compressive spring, and when extension force, tensile force is applied, then it is known as extensive spring. Helical torsional spring, it is used to transmit. Helical torsional spring, it is used to transmit torque to particular component in machine mechanism. It is used in door hinges. Brush holders, automobile starters, and door locks. Now, leaf spring. It is also known as leaf spring or laminated spring. It consists of series of flat plates. Usually, it is consist of series of flat plates called leaves, having varying lengths. Usually semi-elliptical shape. Its shape is like a semi-elliptical. As we know, ellipse is in form of oval shape. So it is semi-elliptical shape. Here it is drawn. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.